Hey, hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn an information technology degree, an IT degree, in as little as 6 months. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process. I'm going to show you what schools will allow you to do this so that you can spend way less time getting your degree and save a whole bunch of money on tuition. If that sounds good, then let's dive in. Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a two-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you how. All right, so the first thing I want to tell you is that there are actually two ways to do this. There are two separate strategies that will allow you to earn an IT degree in as little as 6 months. Most people that work with me shoot for between 6 and 18 months, somewhere in there. A vast majority shooting for less than 12 months. There are two strategies. I'm going to show you both strategies right here in this video. So we're going to jump over to my computer screen and let's dive into strategy number one. Okay, strategy number one is a little bit different. It's not my personal favorite strategy, but it's pretty popular online. But you'll see people choosing one of these two schools. And there are a couple other schools that allow this, but these are probably the two most popular. But Thomas Edison State University or Excelsior University, okay? Now what they do is they'll go in and they'll choose bachelor's degree in information technology, because this video we're talking about IT. They'll go into the program and they'll get a list of classes that are required to earn an IT degree. Now, what a lot of people have been doing is they'll take these classes and they'll actually go and take third-party exams and then transfer them over to a school like this and not have to take all the classes through the university. They'll take classes through, they'll take CLEP exams, sophia.org exams, study.com exams, there's ALEX, there's a whole bunch of different third-party exam resources. But there are a couple of universities that essentially allow you to transfer like 3+ years worth of credits from third-party exam resources over to their universities. So in the end, you basically walk away from one of these schools not taking all these classes at the university. You're going to take like 3 years worth of classes through third-party exams, transfer them over, and have to take less than a year's worth of classes the traditional way at one of these schools. So as you can see, they have information technology at Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison accepts usually like 90+ transfer credits from third-party resources. That's 3 years worth of your degree from third-party. Now, the next, Excelsior College. We'll just go to areas of study. We'll go to technology. And as you can see here, they have a Bachelor's of Science in Information Technology. And they also have a little notification here. You can transfer up to 113 credits from a variety of different resources over to the school. And what that leaves you with is like 2 or 3 classes that you have to take the traditional way. So essentially this strategy number one is getting a majority of your degree through third-party exam resources. So you're going to take exams through study.com, Sophia, CLEP are probably the main 3. There's also one called Straighterline, ALEX, there's one called Dante's that has a lot of military examinations, things like that. And then you're going to transfer all those over to one of these universities. Like I said, this is not my personal favorite way to do this. It's more complicated, and the quality, these universities that allow you to do this are usually lower quality universities. They're not as well respected as some other universities. My preference is to choose higher quality universities that allow you to test out of classes through their universities. It's called competency-based education programs. And that's what I'm going to show you right now. So the first one I want to show you, I really, really love this program. This is called Western Governors University. Okay. If we go onto their website, scroll down here, they have an IT school. We'll go to bachelor's degrees. Okay. And as you can see, they've got computer science, cybersecurity, data management, and network engineering. And boom, right here, IT management. So it's a Bachelor's of Science degree. It's a business administration degree, Bachelor's of Science, specializing in IT management. So we'll just go to more details and boom, here is the program that you'll be enrolling in. Okay. So now, as you can see here, 70% of graduates finish within 43 months. Okay. Now, I teach people how to do this a whole lot faster. You can literally do this in as little as 6 to 12 months. So just know that there are strategies. I'm going to get into actually how to do this. So you're not the average student. You're going to be doing this a whole lot faster. Okay. Now, another school that has a competency-based program in information technology is the University of Massachusetts Global. What happened was throughout the kind of pandemic time, the University of Massachusetts just went and bought out an online university, converted it into their online program, and now they have a really solid online program that's a lot more affordable, and they have self-paced options. So I'm going to show you how to find their self-paced programs. Right here, we're going to click on academic programs and bachelor's degrees. Okay. And you know what? We're going to go down here and we're going to sort even further. Okay. We are going to go and we're going to find information technology. But then this is really important because as you can see here, it's showing us hybrid programs, online programs. Hybrid is like on campus or online. What we want to do is we want to sort for only online self-paced. So they have traditional online and they have online self-paced. We're going to sort here. And as you can see, all these are online self-paced degrees. Okay. So their online self-paced degrees are called MyPath. You see this little word MyPath right here. These are the programs that you're going to want to enroll in if you want their self-paced programs. As you can see, they have Bachelor's in Business Administration, Information Systems Management, a Bachelor's of Science in Information Technology, a Bachelor's of Science in Information Technology, specializing in data science. So these are all programs that can be accelerated really, really quickly. And you are literally in control of when you graduate. The faster you can prove knowledge to these universities, get knowledge into your brains, you study, get this into your brain, you take exams and do projects and little things like that to prove that you have the knowledge. Now, there is a little difference between these two and the next one I'm going to talk about. But Western Governors University, I really like it because a lot of their classes, it's literally just one exam. If you pass one exam, you get credit for the entire class. UMass Global is a little bit different. Instead of one exam per class, there's one project per credit. So most classes are 3 to 4 credits. So with UMass Global, you're going to be doing a smaller project, so not as big of an exam, a smaller project to prove you have competency in a specific topic per credit. So you're going to be doing like 120 smaller projects and little essays and little assignments and things like that. Western Governors University, a lot of times it's just one exam per class, which I really love. Now, another one is called Purdue University Global. Okay, now they have both traditional programs and competency-based programs. So let me show you how to find those. We're going to go to degree programs. You're going to see this menu drop down here. We're going to select information technology. And as you can see here, they have a list of all their IT-based degrees, all their technology-based degrees, okay? They've got analytics, cloud computing, cybersecurity. As you can see here, information technology, traditional information technology. Now, as you can see here, they have a Master's of Science and an Excel Track Master's of Science, a Bachelor's of Science and Excel Track Bachelor's of Science. This is really important, okay? A Master of Science and Bachelor's of Science, these are traditional programs. These Excel Track programs, these are their self-paced programs that you can earn the degrees a whole lot faster because you're literally in control of how fast you learn the material and prove competency to these universities. So you need to make sure you choose these Excel Track programs. They're a whole lot faster. So essentially, 2 different strategies. Strategy number 1, it's popular. You see a lot of other people talking about it online, where you're just taking a whole bunch of CLEP exams and Sophia.org exams and study.com exams and Straighterline exams and all these different third-party examinations, transferring them over to schools that have very, very, I guess, lax limits on how many transfer credits they accept. The thing I don't like about that is those schools generally have lower reputation. They don't look as good on a resume, and it's kind of a mishmash degree. When you actually get your transcripts, it looks really sloppy. Okay. Now, strategy number 2, you find a university that allows you to test out of all of your classes through the university. That way, there are some really huge benefits to this. This is my preferred strategy. A couple of reasons. Okay. Number 1, it's not a mishmash degree. You're doing it all through a highly respected school. Okay. So there are some really high level programs that allow you to do this. Number 2, you're not on your own. Okay. And what I mean when you're not on your own, let's say you go take a CLEP exam. If you fail that CLEP exam, sorry, you failed. There's no one there to help you. Okay. Now, if you're going through a university and testing out of classes through a university, if you get stuck on something, you can reach out to the teacher. Let's say you're taking a math class and you need tutoring. A lot of these universities have like math hotlines. You can literally call a number on the phone, get a math tutor on the phone any time of day. Okay. So you have the resources of the universities to help you if you get stuck. And generally you're going to get a degree from, I guess, a more respected school. So those are the 2 different strategies. Now, there's one catch to all of this. Okay. There's one catch to all this. Just because a university allows you to test out of classes does not mean that the university actually teaches you how to graduate in months instead of years. The thing is, colleges and universities are businesses. They literally make more money the longer you are enrolled in school. So what's going to happen is you're going to enroll into these programs, these competency-based programs, and you're going to get digital textbooks. You're going to have homework assignments. You're going to have quizzes and study guides and lesson plans and all the things that we don't like about college. It's all there. Okay. The difference is you're actually allowed to skip all that stuff if you can pass the exams. So there's, I guess, a huge benefit in figuring out how to learn what's going to be on the exam so that you can go and study those things on your own instead of diving into textbooks, right? Like, is it faster to go to YouTube and search something or to open your textbook and dive in and read a chapter of a textbook? Obviously, going to YouTube is faster, okay? And Google and online forums, and there are a zillion places to learn online. But online learning is so much faster than old school textbook learning. So essentially, there's a strategy that I call degree hacking, where you use modern learning resources instead of the school's learning resources, and you can learn these things a lot faster, get your degree a lot faster. The unfortunate thing is schools don't show you how to do this. Now, if you want to learn how to do this, I actually have a video I'm going to leave a link to down below where I walk through the 3-step process of degree hacking. It allowed me to get literally an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months, and I'll teach you how to do it. Just watch the free video down below, no strings attached. I hope that helps. If you don't know how to access the video description down below, just tap, if you're on your phone, tap the video title and it will open up the description. And if you're on your computer, there's a little like read more button. You click that, it's going to open it up. You can click the link, watch that video for free. So I hope this video's helped. I hope it's added value to your day and at least opened your mind up to, guess what? You can actually learn an information technology degree in months instead of years, and you can save tens of thousands of dollars in tuition, sometimes more. So if you've liked the video, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and you'll start seeing more videos where I teach you how to graduate college faster and save a whole bunch of money on tuition. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you in the next video.